investing in the stock market. If you're a complete beginner, you can just invest in index funds. And what an index fund is, you can invest in a certain cluster of companies which has several different types of companies on it, so you don't run the risk of one of those companies crashing and you're losing all your money. What an index fund does, it just keeps the best performing companies on that fund. So whenever a company starts going down, it actually removes that company from the index fund and you don't risk losing so much money. Usually it's pretty safe, and you can make money a few ways by doing that. The price of the stocks and the index fund is going to go up, so you're going to get money from appreciation, and you're also going to be receiving dividends from those stocks. And dividends is a company sharing with you a part of that company's profits. When you invest into the index fund, you actually invest into lots of companies, so you're going to be getting a small share of all of those companies. And there is also another way that you can make money with stocks, but you have to invest in companies that actually offer a high percentage of dividends.